Okay, Kai, we're going to go over them again, and you're going to tell Dada what they are. What does that say?
No.
That's right.
No.
Dog. What does that say? Kai.
No.
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 No. Try another one. What does this say?
I.
All right. Great job, Kai. What does that say?
I.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's right.
Hi.
Hi. What does that say?
No. Oh, go blue.
Wow, Kai. You are so smart. I cannot believe it. What does that say? You'll never get that one. Almost.
Baby.
What about this?
Open.
What does that say?
Open.
All right.
It's open.
Elephant. Yeah.
Open.
Yeah.
Open.
All right.
It's blue.
What does that say?
Go.
What does it say?
Go.
No. What does it say? Think about it.
Blue.
You want to see the picture so you'll know?
Hi.
No.
Hi.
Clap.
Go.
Yeah. What does that say?
Nine. Bow.
No.
Bow.
No.
Bow.
Let's try this one again.
No.
All right.
No. Mom. Hi. Yeah, hi.
All right.
All right. Hi.
All right. Oh, what about this one? Wait a minute.
Wow.
You know what that is?
Okay.
No. C-A-T-S.
Hey.
There's the picture.
Dada.
Now do you know?
It's blue.
Okay.
Blue.
What does it say?
Blue.
No. You know what it says?
Hey.
No. You just said it. What does it say?